ladies, welcome back to my channel. Of course, if you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. And as you guys can see from the title, today's video is in collaboration with OMGHerHair. You guys know at this point, we are not even working with companies unless I absolutely believe in the product. So I've already kind of filtered through a lot of the items that they have on their site. And this is a look at their HD lace. So they did actually want me to show you guys the difference in the transparency. And you guys can see the HD lace is super clear. The brown Swiss lace is a little bit, it can work if you're on a budget. But of course, I'm here to give you the most affordable, best quality, and bang for your buck. And lastly, of course, the regular lace. I don't even know why this was included. I don't even know any company that's still using just a basic lace at this point. Obviously there are, but OMGHerHair is not. So there's that. Of course, this is a look at the wig. This is their length 20-inch chestnut brown, 150 density. I do have the cap medium size, and this is just their HD 13x6 brown straight hair. And of course, any straight unit is always going to have some type of bump or curl to it once you actually wash it. So what I like to do is as soon as I get my units, straight out of the packaging, typically I'll go ahead and just wash it up and allow it to air dry. That actually saves me a lot of energy and time with attempting to get the base of the hair like as flat as possible. So I'm not having to do as much work with the hot comb. So all that I'm doing from here, now that the hair is fully dry, it's been like another day now. And I don't blow dry my units. That's another tip. If you really want to maintain the integrity of the hair and really get these to last longer, definitely use air drying. I don't know how to even get you guys to understand that. Obviously, if you're in a rush and you have to blow dry this out, do what you need to do. But if you can really wait that time and allow these to air dry, you guys will really see the difference because you're not using as much heat. And you guys can see I'm trying my best to do maybe 1 to 2 passes over each strand or each section that I'm working on. And I'm using my FHI 2-inch flat iron. You guys know this flat iron has been with me for like 5 years now. So if you are wanting to invest in something like that, definitely do so. Of course, I do actually have a coupon code for you. So if you use coupon Christiana10, you'll actually save $10 for any any orders over $100. So I'll go ahead and post that down in my description box along with the link to the hair, all that good stuff. I felt like I haven't been as detailed as usual with describing the units. I noticed that you guys have been leaving more comments with like, oh, what's the length or what's the cap size? So definitely wanted to make sure that, I was here and giving you everything that you need. Now, of course, if you are not really familiar with lace and how all this stuff works, well, don't worry, okay? By the time we get to the install of this, you guys are going to see why it's worth, number one, the price, and then also you really get a look to see just how great that HD melt is truly. So they do actually give you a lot of goodies on the inside. I briefly showed you that at the beginning of the video. The cap did not match my cap color at all. But when I'm going to apply this, y'all, I literally have some cornrows in my head. Little bit of nothing, like literally nothing going on. I did not do the ball cap method. There's no need these days. I've never really liked it, and it kind of tugs on your edges. So in case you guys are wondering what I'm doing right here, I'm just going through with the hot comb. I found this on Amazon. There's an adjustable temperature set. So if that's something you're looking for, I'm pretty sure they have it in local beauty supply stores, but depending on where you are, now y'all know, okay, how they be doing this. So if you can't find it, Amazon always has your back. I'm actually thinking of doing like a Amazon store with like the products that I use most frequently, because I'm not gonna lie, if y'all have been following me for a while, y'all will see the same products and methods over and over. So you're just seeing it in different ways, a little bit elevated each time. And so, yeah, I mean, if you are really wanting to perfect your wigs, I'm getting more and more detailed this year just because I'm tired of seeing the wiggity wackety wig. So I am here to save y'all. Okay, let me stop. It's too early, okay? Nevertheless, you guys, I'm taking my camera flat iron spray and a little bit of my Mizani heat resistant hairspray to just lock all those flyaways down, and I'm smoothing out the hair, and you guys can see how the bottom is just kind of free flowing, very fringe like, thinned out. I don't care for that look. I'm always going for a silk press, a nice body, full from root to tip. So I will always sacrifice maybe 2 to 3 inches when I purchase my unit. So 9 times out of 10, if I get a 24-inch, we're we're chopping it up to about a 22. Now, obviously, you guys are spending your hard-earned money on this, so if you don't want to do that, don't be, like me, okay? Get the length that you need. Now, they did have an adjustable band that did come in the packaging, so I actually went ahead and just added it to the inside of the wig. This is a clip from another video where I got really, really detailed to show you what that looks like. And then, of course, we're getting into makeup, y'all, okay? So we're going to do that towards the end of this video. And so, yeah, I'm just applying the wig. You guys can see no issues whatsoever. Just with applying that elastic band, now this wig is completely glueless. Y'all are about to see, like, I'm so, like, excited to even be showing you guys this because I do not want you breaking off and ripping out your edges, especially with glue, just for a wig. Like, it's not worth it. And y'all know me, I'm gonna wear a wig 1, maybe 2 days max and take it off anyway. So I'm not about to be, using glue and doing that for y'all. Like, if you see me use glue, just know that wig is staying on for a week or 2, maybe 3 days, okay? And so all that I'm doing, literally just, I trimmed off a little bit of the lace that we had around the ears, and from here I'm just taking a little bit of my Gotta Be glue spray. Literally all the hair is already pushed back. I just applied that to the hairline. You guys are seeing this real time, so I did not speed up this video. This install took no time at all. Still had time to do my makeup, and I was actually in a rush, okay? So this is kind of I think I'm gonna post this for Valentine's Day just because I did not have the time to do a full, like, get ready with me with the outfit and all that stuff. But this hair is giving very much Valentine's Day vibes. So once you have that set, of course, hit it with a blow dryer a couple times, and go ahead and take your elastic band. There's another one in the packaging as well that they give you, and yeah, just tack down your edges. Take a little bit of mousse just to redefine that part, and then of course go ahead and cut off the lace. Now I know y'all like, Chrissy, hold on now, what's going on now? You lost me. I know, I was thinking the same thing, all right? But when you use the Gotta Be glue spray, of course, it's a hairspray. So all that it is just literally adhering to your forehead. That's all that's happening. What I went ahead and did is just applied a little bit of my cream of nature mousse to kind of freshen up the lace a little bit, because it can get a little dry and like stiff. So you can take some water, but that's a little too wet in my opinion. I need something that acts as a holding spray. So I like to use mousse, and then I'll combo that with the Gotta Be glue spray to make sure that everything is really, really tacked down, and y'all will see what that melt is looking like, okay? It's giving what it needs to give. Now, the only thing that I don't like about the Gotta Be glue spray is that it actually gives some type of, like, it's not even greasy, it's just a shine. So I like to take a damp towel and just go around your hairline, get rid of that, because you don't want too much shine going on. You can even dampen, or not dampen, but lightly tap the base of like the hairline as well if you're seeing through the lace is a little bit shiny. So yeah, you can do that also. And then once you got that part nice and set, you should be all good. Now, I want to point out that this unit is already pre-plucked. I don't want y'all thinking that I've done anything outside of washed it. Like, literally, that's it. I did not bleach the knots. All that I had to do was put this on and redefine the part. That's it. So now we got to get this skin together, okay? And so I am having a couple little breakouts. If you guys are wondering, these little pore strips or whatever that I have on, I got it from Sephora, and they're supposed to get rid of like a acne spot in like hours. So honestly, it's been working. I'm actually taking some of my NARS. This is their soft matte foundation. You guys know I've been using NARS products since I've really gotten into makeup. That would have been like the start of my YouTube journey, 2016, 2015. Like, y'all know, if y'all have not seen it, now's not the time to go back and watch that first video, but I'm just saying, okay? I've been using the same combo of products. I mean, literally the same. They've come out with new foundations, so I'll try them out here or there. The soft matte, y'all can see the coverage on this. Super pretty, super vibrant, not drying out the skin at all. Very, very close to my skin complexion. Now, typically, I don't put a lot of makeup on my forehead, but because I did have a little breakout there, I really wanted to get maximum amount of coverage. What I find is when I wear lace wigs, I need a full face. I don't feel comfortable with just wearing a wig and not having on at least a little bit of makeup. Like, I don't know what it is. I feel like the wigs are a look. It's so well put together. Like, you need to bring it all together. So I'm taking some of the NARS concealer. This is in the color 𝐃𝐞𝐭, which is just like a dark brown. I believe it's like dark medium 2. And then the color Biscuit to kind of just give me a little bit of brightness underneath the eyes, right in between the forehead. Not that I needed to, okay, we're not gonna talk about that. All right. And then I'm just going ahead and pretty much blending out everything, carving out my cheek area, and yeah, going back with the Biscuit just to really kind of brighten it up as much as possible. It's actually time to clean my brushes. I have a new tutorial, not even tutorial, just kind of like, you guys are watching me do my brushes, right? So let me know if you want me to post how to clean your brushes. I have a couple of videos already up, but this one's a little bit more moody. It's just a vibe, but I've been sitting on it for like weeks now. Let me know if you want to see that. So of course, for brows, y'all know typically I will use my Anastasia dip brow powder, but well, not powder, but it's like a cream. In this case, lately, these days, since my eyebrows are already microbladed, what I've been doing is just using the Anastasia pencil, which I love so much. There's like a spoolie on one end and then the actual product on the other. And then I'm actually just taking the color Caramel to kind of carve out my brows a little bit. So all NARS products. So far, we've only used like maybe 3 to 4 products max. And then, yeah, we're just going to go ahead and blend everything out. And once you have pretty much all of your makeup set, you want to go ahead and just really make sure that it sits into place. So I'm taking some of my Laura Mercier powder and, yeah, just carving out my cheeks, making sure to go over all the areas that I highlighted first. And then, of course, we're actually just going to go all over the face. Not going to use a brush to do this. I'm literally just going to take my beauty blender and press the product into the skin. When I tell you the freaking hole that you get, I mean, your makeup is literally going to last you for hours. So if that's something that you have not been doing, definitely add that to your makeup routine. Don't use a brush to dust it away. Like, no, press it into the skin. And as long as your skincare routine is on point, you should not have to worry about too many issues with breakouts and things. Y'all, it's that time of the month. So this is more hormonal at this point. Now, so I am taking the Juvia's palette, their blush palette. And yeah, just rosing up my cheeks a little bit. And then I'm taking the Fenty. This is their like bronzer. Don't remember the shade. If I'm not mistaken, it's Fenty Bronze. Y'all, you've been using the same stuff forever, but anything you need just to kind of give you a little bit of a contour. Sometimes when I don't have this handy, I will actually just take the NARS dark brown shade, put it in the crease, and apply a little bit of powder on top of it, and I get the same effect. So no pressure there. And then for lashes, I believe these are from, man, I cannot think of it right now. I don't know if it's from, honestly, I don't know. If I can remember it, I'll put it down. Actually, I'm not even putting the makeup in the description box just because I'm literally telling you what I'm using. So for lashes, use whatever it is you feel comfortable with. I cannot remember the name of these lashes, but I do know I got them at Target and they come in a black packaging, 3 to the pack. I can't think of them. I'm so sorry. That's so irritating. But anywho, I have my lashes. I'm popping them on. I also have a lash tutorial how to apply lashes. I'm just sitting on content at this point. So let me know if y'all want me to drop that also. I assumed everybody knew how to put on lashes, but from the stories I've been getting, not so much. So there's that. And then for lips, y'all, this is my favorite combo. I use the 𝐾𝐞𝐭, so of course that same concealer we've been using, and I go ahead and just kind of carve out my lips. It's not too dark, not too light. And then I take my Kat Von D Bow and Arrow. This is like their liquid lip paint, and I go ahead and just add a little bit of gloss on top of that. Y'all, this is the face, okay? Now, I usually will use my Urban Decay All Day Matte Setting Spray, but y'all, during this video, I'm like, wait, when did I run out of this product? So anyway, I got some weird stuff happening. All that I did was take a brush to just kind of like pat that into the skin. We still got the same effect. I had a little bit left at the bottom of the actual container, and I used that to just go all over my face to set everything in place. And then, yeah, so now that we have actually gotten our face together and it's giving vibes, we're looking like we're here to, serve, all right? And I'm going to go back through with the actual flat iron. You guys, look at that melt. Okay? And for those of you that hate baby hair, like every now and then you'll get a video from me that's just for you. Okay, so at this point, we left the baby hair out right now, and we're just going to go back through with the flat iron and, yeah, just get rid of some of those, like, creases just from me pinning my hair up. Y'all know how hair is. It's so annoying. Like, especially when you have product on it, you're always going to get a crease. Like, ugh. So anyway, yeah, just go back through with the flat iron, and then to get rid of those flyaways, we use that camera flat iron spray, a little bit of the Gotta Be Glue spray, or the Mizani heat-resistant spray. It acts as like a light holding spray as compared to like the Gotta Be Glue spray. And yeah, go ahead and just apply that. A little bit of shine goes a long way. Smooth it over the tops of your head. And yeah, I think we should pretty much be all set. You guys can see just how smooth this color is from start to finish. The knots are perfectly bleached. The hair is full, thick from root to tip. I definitely do like the fact that it comes pre-plucked because that takes so much work out of this. Literally, y'all saw me install this start to finish. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to try to post this on Valentine's Day. So by 8:30, y'all. I'm doing this. Listen, it's last minute. All right. Nevertheless, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. And I guess I'll be posting my Valentine's Day nails maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. I love y'all. See y'all later. Bye, babies.